Hello Year 3 and welcome to this week's Midweek Maths Challenge. Today we're going to focus on addition and place value. So for this activity you will need a couple of pieces of paper and 3 dice. If you haven't got 3 dice, don't worry, one will do. And if you can't find any dice, you could always cut up some squares of paper and write the digits 1 to 6 on to make cards that you can choose. So this game is about rolling your dice to create numbers and adding them to see if you can get as close to 1,000 as possible. So first thing you need to do is roll your 3 dice. So here we go. Right, I have got a 1, a 4 and a 3. So now I've got to make a 3-digit number, which I think is going to help me get as close to 1,000 as possible. So I'm going to go for 431. So I'm going to write my number down here. Okay, then I'm going to roll my dice again. So now I've got a 2, a 3 and a 5. Remember, I want to get as close to 1,000 as possible. So this time I'm going to go for, I'm actually going to go for 352. And I'll tell you why. I've got to roll 3 numbers. If I start with my 5 as my 100, I can estimate that that's going to give me a 400 number and a 500 number. It's going to give me 900 and something, which is quite close to 1,000 already. And I've still got another 3-digit number to go. So I'm going to take a gamble and I'm going to go for 352 in case I roll some high numbers next. So let's write them down. 352. Now, I need to know where I am at the moment with my number. So I've got 100 tens and ones chart here. So I'm going to do some addition. So I need 431 add 352. Now I'm actually going to draw some pictures to help me. So here are my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Hundreds, tens, and ones. So now I can see I have got 3 in my ones column. I've got 3 and 5 tens, which gives me 8. And I've got 4 and 3 hundreds, which gives me 700s. So my total at the moment is 783. So now I need to roll once more. Oh, let's do them individually. I've got a 2, I've got a 1, and I've got a 3. Right, let's go back to my total so far. $783. Now, if I put my 3 in the hundreds column, 700s and 300s is going to give me 1,000 already. 700s and 300s is the same as 10 hundreds, which is 1,000. So I don't want that in my hundreds column. I've got an 8 in my tens column, and I've got a 3 in my ones column, and I've got another 2 and a 1. So I think I'm going to make my third number 213, because if I added 2 10s to my 8 10s here, that would give me another 100 I'd have to exchange, which might push me over the 1,000 limit. So I'm going to calculate and see where I've got. So I need my 783. I've chosen my number 213. I'm going to draw it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And then I need 200s. I need 110 and 3 1s. Right, so 3 1s and 3 1s will give me 6. 8 10s and 1 10 will give me 9 10s, and 700s and 200s will give me 900s. My total then is 996. So we can add that onto here. $213, and my total was 996. That's not bad, is it? That's quite close to 1,000. So I wonder how close you can get. We look forward to seeing your work on Twitter, and if you want to, you can send it, of course, to your class teachers on the email. Have a go.